Hello, I'm Rashi Agarwal, and I am counseling a few people in my area, and also currently I'm pursuing my master's in psychology. And this is my second Ichars workshop. First one was relationship counseling, and this is the second one. And I thoroughly enjoy and I thoroughly learn these workshops. In fact, these are very practical workshops. These workshops can directly put you in the position to help your clients in a much better way. And they just don't teach you. The course is not just based on teaching. They also make you practice it like on each other. And my key takeaway in this workshop was mindfulness practice. And the second was thought restructuring process, which I really enjoyed. I really loved how you can break down, decode, and then encode your thoughts in a better way. So I would recommend iChars to everyone who is ambitious enough to become a good counselor and help people. Thank you.
Prem, I'm going to put the pin on you, okay? You can start.
Hi, my name is Prem. I have enrolled for Anxiety Counselling Certification Course. So from the day one, I have learned so many things, and even completely practical, completely experiential learning. We have done a lot of techniques on each other. So it is completely practical. So in this, I have learned around 4 techniques. I feel these 4 techniques are completely useful in handling any cases related to anxiety. So my key takeaways are mindfulness practice, thought restructuring, flip model. So every technique I loved it. So if you would like to assign for this course, so without hesitation, just go for it. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Prem. When you say mindfulness process, you're talking about Betty Erickson technique, right?
Yeah.
All right, great. Thanks a lot. Namrata?
Yes.
One second, huh? I'll pin you on the screen. All right, you can go ahead.
Hello, everyone. I'm Namrata Agarwal, and I have done Masters in Psychology. And I have decided to become a counseling course here. And I got to learn lots of new things here, like, how to help clients with anxiety with different kind of methods. And I got to learn Betty Erickson method and transformational metaphor method and flip model, and lots of techniques how we can help clients with anxiety to help them. So I learned a lot, and I really loved the way they taught this entire thing to us. So I would recommend it to everyone.
Great. Thank you so much, Namrata. You guys could have talked about your facilitator also. Since it was supposed to be my workshop, but Divya was co-facilitating with me. She is one of the upcoming, almost trained trainer at Ichars. So great, thank you so much.